Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Curve Finance for stablecoin yield strategies, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Curve Finance for stablecoin yield strategies, start by visiting the Curve Finance website. Ensure you have a compatible wallet, such as MetaMask, installed and set up. Connect your wallet to the Curve Finance platform by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Choose your wallet provider from the available options. After connecting your wallet, navigate to the Pools section of the Curve interface. Select a stablecoin pool that suits your investment strategy, such as the 3-pool or other multi-asset pools. Review the pool details, including the annual percentage yield and liquidity. Once you've decided on a pool, click the Deposit button. Enter the amount of stablecoin you want to deposit into the selected pool. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, and wait for it to be processed on the blockchain. After the transaction completes, you will receive Curve LP tokens in your wallet. These tokens represent your share of the pool, and you can use them to earn yield. To start earning rewards, you can stake your LP tokens on platforms that support Curve token staking. Monitor your earnings by checking the rewards section on Curve Finance or your wallet. Consider strategies like liquidity provision or yield farming to maximize returns. Stay updated on Curve Finance developments for new opportunities and features. Regularly check your investment performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.